Joining Acacia butcherblock panels is simple and easy if you follow these directions. Use a straight cut instead of a 45-degree cut when joining panels in an L-shaped configuration. The reason is that the slat widths on the face of the panels are variable widths and will not align evenly when cut on an angle. Make sure to mark the locations for the wood tendons and knockdown connectors. Clamping the panels to the Festool table is simple and easy with the MFT clamps that lock them in place. With the Festool domino tool, the panel edges can be professionally prepared for secure panel attachment. The domino can be set for a tight mortise for the knockdown connectors or a loose mortise for the wood tendons. This Festool will accurately drill the holes on the panel edge to accept wood tendons and knockdown connectors. The beauty of this system is that all panel preparation can be done in the shop, disassembled, and then quickly reassembled on the job site. Make sure to apply the glue lavishly as the end grains will soak the glue deep into the wood. That's how you join Acacia butcherblock panels from Interbuild.